Struggling to lose weight despite eating clean? The secret might be hiding in these 10 foods you've been eating all along. If you've been struggling to shed those extra pounds, even with healthy habits, it might not be you, it's the foods you're eating. In today's video, we're diving into the top 10 foods you need to stay away from if you want to lose weight fast. These might seem harmless, but they're actually packing a punch when it comes to adding those unwanted pounds. Stick around to find out exactly what they are and why you should avoid them at all costs. Number 1. White bread. White bread is pure sugar in disguise. It's made from refined flour, which is quickly turned into sugar in your body. A slice of white bread can spike your blood sugar, leading to insulin spikes and, ultimately, fat storage. Let me break it down a bit. When you eat white bread, your body doesn't have to work as hard to break it down because it's been stripped of all its fiber and nutrients. It's like a fast pass for sugar to enter your bloodstream. This rapid surge causes your body to store more fat, especially around your belly. Ever wonder why that stubborn belly fat is so hard to lose? White bread could be a major culprit. And let's talk about portion control. How many of us eat just one slice of bread? Not many, right? We pile it on with sandwiches, toast, or burgers, and before you know it, you've consumed more carbs than you intended. Try switching to whole grain or sprouted bread. These options are rich in fiber and help keep your blood sugar in check, which can actually help with weight loss. Number 2. Sugary drinks. You know that sugary soda you drink during lunch or the sweet iced coffee you grab in the morning? Yeah, it's doing more harm than you think. These sugary drinks are packed with empty calories, meaning they give you all the sweetness but no nutritional value whatsoever. One can of soda contains up to 150 calories from sugar alone, and if you're drinking 1 or 2 a day, you can see how quickly that adds up. What's worse, these drinks don't satisfy your hunger. They flood your system with sugar, but they don't fill you up, so you end up eating more later. Plus, they're linked to an increased risk of belly fat. That's because high sugar intake, especially from sugary drinks, causes your body to store excess fat in the abdominal area. The solution? Ditch the soda and sweetened beverages. If you need a boost, try sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon or an unsweetened iced tea. These will hydrate you without the sugar crash. Number 3. Fried foods. Fried foods are like that friend who's always fun at first but leaves you feeling sluggish afterward. They're greasy, crunchy, and downright delicious, but they're also packed with unhealthy fats and tons of calories. Let's face it, every bite you take in those crispy fries or fried chicken is a small blow to your waistline. Why are fried foods so bad for weight loss? Well, when food is deep fried, it absorbs a ton of oil. That oil is loaded with trans fats, which are linked to weight gain and heart disease. Plus, frying doesn't just add calories, it actually increases the calorie density of the food, meaning you're eating more calories in a smaller amount of food. That's a double whammy for weight loss. Want to enjoy the crunch without the guilt? Try baking or air frying your favorite fried foods. You'll get the crispy texture with far fewer calories and fat. It's all about making healthier swaps. Number 4. Ice cream. Let's be real. Ice cream is the ultimate comfort food. But if you're trying to lose weight, it's time to say goodbye to that creamy indulgence. While it tastes delicious, ice cream is loaded with sugar and fat. A single scoop can have anywhere from 200 to 400 calories depending on the flavor. And let's be honest, who stops at just one scoop? The sugar in ice cream causes a spike in insulin, which can lead to fat storage. And all that fat, well, it's not doing your waistline any favors. It's a double whammy that leaves you feeling bloated and contributes to weight gain, especially around the belly. Instead of reaching for the ice cream tub, try frozen yogurt or sorbet as a lower-calorie alternative. Or better yet, make your own healthy frozen treats with fruit and Greek yogurt. Your taste buds and waistline will thank you. Number 5. Processed meats. Hot dogs, bacon, and sausages are delicious, but processed meats are among the worst foods for weight loss. They're high in sodium, preservatives, and unhealthy fats. The problem is that all of these additives contribute to bloating, high blood pressure, and, you guessed it, weight gain. Processed meats are often packed with empty calories, meaning they provide little to no nutritional benefit. Plus, they are heavily linked to chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. So, while they may taste great, they come with a heavy price. If you're craving meat, opt for lean, unprocessed options like chicken breast, turkey, or even fish. They provide the protein you need without all the extra calories and harmful chemicals. Number 6. Granola bars. Granola bars are often marketed as the healthy snack, but don't be fooled. They're usually packed with sugar, refined carbs, and unhealthy fats. While they may seem like a quick, convenient option, many granola bars contain as much sugar as a candy bar. That's right, your so-called healthy snack might be doing more harm than good. Most granola bars are made with processed oats and added sugars, which cause a spike in blood sugar levels. This leads to an energy crash shortly after, which can leave you feeling sluggish and craving more food. Plus, they're calorie-dense, so it's easy to overeat and sabotage your weight loss efforts. Instead, opt for whole food snacks like nuts, seeds, or fresh fruit. These options are nutrient-dense and help keep your blood sugar steady, which can help curb cravings and support weight loss. Number 7. Potato chips. Who doesn't love a good bag of chips? They're crunchy, salty, and downright addictive. But when it comes to losing weight, chips are a no-go. They're high in calories and packed with unhealthy fats, which makes them a major contributor to weight gain. The issue with chips is that they're easy to overeat. It's almost impossible to stop at just one handful, right? That's because they're designed to be irresistible. But the more you eat, the more calories you consume. Plus, the trans fats found in most chips are terrible for your health and can lead to fat storage. To satisfy your salty craving, try air-popped popcorn or baked veggie chips. They'll give you that crunch you crave without all the extra calories and fat. Number 8. Cereal. That box of sugary cereal you're having for breakfast might not be the healthiest start to your day. Many cereals, especially the ones marketed to kids, are packed with sugar and refined grains. This combo can lead to blood sugar spikes and crashes, leaving you feeling sluggish and hungry just a couple of hours later. Plus, cereals are often low in protein and fiber, two key components that help you feel full and satisfied. Without these, you'll likely find yourself snacking on unhealthy foods later in the day. Even though some cereals advertise themselves as healthy, they're often far from it. Instead, try oatmeal or a smoothie bowl made with fresh fruit, protein powder, and chia seeds. These options provide more fiber and protein, which will keep you fuller for longer and help with weight loss. Number 9. Candy. It's hard to resist the temptation of a sweet treat, especially when you're craving something sugary. But candy is a major roadblock on your weight loss journey. The sugar in candy causes a spike in your blood sugar levels, followed by a crash that leaves you feeling sluggish and craving more sugar. This cycle can lead to overeating, and when your body is constantly flooded with sugar, it stores the excess as fat. Candy doesn't fill you up either. Even though it gives you a burst of energy, that energy is short-lived. It's like giving your body a sugar rush, but then leaving it stranded in a crash. And with all the added sugar, preservatives, and artificial colors, candy offers no real nutritional value. Instead of reaching for candy when you're craving something sweet, try fresh fruit or a small handful of dark chocolate. These options provide natural sweetness without all the added sugar and chemicals that contribute to weight gain. Number 10. Low-fat snack foods. It sounds counterintuitive, right? Low-fat snacks should be healthy, but here's the thing. Many low-fat snacks are loaded with sugar and artificial additives to make up for the flavor lost when fat is removed. These sugars and additives can spike your blood sugar and lead to cravings, which ultimately hinders your weight loss goals. What's worse? When fat is removed from a product, it often makes you feel hungrier sooner, which leads to overeating. So, while these snacks might be lower in fat, they're not helping you reach your weight loss goals. Stick to whole foods and snacks that are naturally low in fat, like fruits, veggies, and nuts. These options will keep you satisfied without the unnecessary added sugars or chemicals. There you have it. 10 foods you should avoid if you want to lose weight fast. From sugary drinks to processed meats, these foods are standing in the way of your weight loss goals. But don't worry. Making simple swaps, like choosing whole grains, fresh snacks, and healthier drinks, will get you on the path to success. Subscribe now for more daily healthy tips.